Yo, what's going on YouTube? Uh, I got my LEDs today. I had to come to Harley Davidson and get the smoke lenses. I bought some online and they didn't really work, man. They broke on me. So I had to pull up before they close. Close at 8. I'm over here on the one on 290. I'm from Houston, Texas. So I ordered these bad boys here. They're from what is it, Rug Riders Industries. Man, these just look fire, man. Look at this. Very easy to install. Ooh. Yep. Yeah, which one is it? This one? Not this one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks real nice. I just gotta wait for the back ones. LEDs like that too. Yeah. Put all this up. Let's go. Yeah, save these for later, just in case, man. That headlight, I got it off of eBay as well. No, Amazon, sorry. Yeah, I think you're supposed to have certain followers and subscribers in order for you to be able to, share links with Amazon. I'll get there, I hope. Yeah. Now let's ride home, baby. Oh yeah, these boys look hot, bro. I'm not forgetting anything. I hope not. Looks like I got everything. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's ride. Come on. Oh yeah, I like them. Blue, man. Yes, sir. Got a little traffic going on here. You know, we in Houston. You stay here, you already know what I mean. Yep. Come on. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of construction, I forgot. Yo, these things are hella sexy, man. Yeah, man, I'm always at that Harley. I'm either test driving. I've only test driven like twice. I only did one video. I'm gonna drop another video soon of a test drive. Y'all let me know. Loving them. Loving them. Look at this. Man, they light up hella good. Man. Oh, I'm about to cut all this little traffic, man. Yes, sir. Let's go. What I like about these signals, man, you know, there's some brands out there on Amazon. I believe they're a lot cheaper too, maybe about $40 or something. But the only thing I didn't like about them is that the amber color was on the outside, and then in the middle was the blue. Or actually, I think it was reversed. I think the LED light, the white light, was on top, all around the corners on the top, and then the inside was amber. And that just don't look right, man. To be on like that all the time, that really don't look right. Uh-oh. Popo. Ah, you know what? It's about to start raining, and I don't know if he's gonna pull me over. I don't know if it's true. I don't know how true it is, but from what I heard is that we can't use. So I have some LED lights on all over my bike. From what I heard is that we can't use blue or red. Not quite sure how true that is, but he would have pulled me over. He's just relaxing over there, you know. Supposedly, what they told me was, you know, that those are like emergency colors, so we can't use them. I love this bike. This is my first ever owned bike. Yeah, man, I already decked it up. You know, I flipped the mirrors on it. I'm waiting on the LEDs for the back, so I could put some smoke caps on there too. It's gonna look hella awesome. And then I got the these are the ones that I just put on. Damn, they're freaking beautiful. And then I also changed the headlight. Everything's good. Oh, and then the lights on the motorcycle. And also, man, this exhaust is freaking amazing. It's a Vincent Hines, and they're called hand grenades. I love them. I don't want to remove them, but I'm not going to. I'm going to figure it out, man. I want to go ahead and put a sissy bar, a back seat, and you know, the back part of it, the back part of the seat as well. It's just interfering with me for the pegs. It's bothering me, man, because I really want to put some passenger pegs on there, you know. So that's the only thing right now. This side's good. It's the other side. I'm about to put my baby up. Thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all have a good day.